I am the craftswoman, and I am going to explain to you how to do a yoni steam at home or even for your business. I have been getting so many people to ask me how, and I think it's so easy. So I just want to show you just a simple way. So this is actually a custom wooden yoni steam seat that I have had made. So I do have a craftsman who can make these seats for you. You can get it painted whatever color that you want. As you can see, it's an oval shape. You can get it without color and or get it with color. So I just use a metal bowl. Some people use copper, glass, just as long as it's not plastic. And or either you can use a crock pot because it'll keep the temperature like how you want it. I have these womb herbs available on my website. So this is 4 ounces, and you would use about 1 ounce or 1 cup per yoni steam. So you just place it in the bowl and add boiling hot water, and you just put it in here. And when you use this, you want to have this covered. I never have anybody to sit their skin on the seat. So you're going to have this covered with something, towels or whatever. So that's a simple way of doing a yoni steam. If you don't have this seat, if you don't want to use this seat, you can also do the same method in your toilet. Some people don't mind it. So that's how you can do a vaginal steam or yoni steam at home or in your business. So if you wanted to get several made, we can make them for you. You can go to my website to get the herbs or the seat, craftswoman.com, craftswoman.com.